Hey guys, so I'm gonna change all the font size of this signature. Because the client wanted to make smaller. Currently, it is a 14 pixel, and changing them one by one is a little bit pain on the ass. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find and replace those codes, HTML, whether it's HTML or CSS, in Visual Studio and replace it at once. We will also cover a little bit like basic regex or regular expression thing if you want to find and replace a certain dynamic. I mean, you can make a character dynamic and stuff. So anyway, let me just open that signature. So let's open it, open the file, and yeah, I have a bunch of signatures here that needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna kind of inspect elements this one first. So currently the title is 14 pixel. Now let's start first with alphabetical find and replace thing. So okay, let's start first with a font family. So font family, I want to change this all to Verdana. So Control F or Command F for Mac and Control F for Windows, and then I'll put in Arial. So currently, um, there is 26 total of results for font for an Arial font family. Now I want to replace that with Verdana. So what you can do is select this part here, match the whole word. So let's just disable the regex for now. So match the whole word, and or you can press Alt W or something, and then click the drop down, and I type in Verdana there. So I want to replace everything. So replace all. If you want to replace it one by one, you can also do that, but just clicking the enter thing, like click enter, something like that. But what I just want is replace everything with Verdana. So click all, Control, Alt, enter, and it should replace everything. Now let's Control S that to save it, and let's refresh it. So currently it's all of them are changed to Verdana. And that's basically how you can do that on Visual Studio Code. So let's try again to change the other font size, and then we will cover later the regex part. So Control F again, and
Learn World is always my recommendation to my clients every time they want to create an online courses. You can use the link below to get a 30 days free trial and see if Learn World's fit for you. I also have tutorials about Learn World, so check out my description, or I'm gonna put it in here to see some of my tutorials in Learn World. I tell you, there's a lot of features in Learn World that could be really helpful for your marketing strategy. Let's get back to the tutorial.
okay, so let's say I'm gonna change this one, this color font size. So currently there is a font size of 12 pixel. So I will replace that with a font size of 7 pixel. Okay, and I will replace everything. Okay, and then Control S to save it, and let's refresh our signature. So everything works great. I probably need to change the line height later, but we basically already cover everything. Like that's how you can do find and replace for the alphabetical order. And you can also have just a matching thing. Now this match thing is um a little bit stricter. So it should be match case or something like that. But it's almost similar with this part actually. So anyway, let's jump into the regex part. So I'm gonna open this text.html file here. So for example, these are the leads of your names. My name, my brother, and my sister. And then I want to change the surname. Okay, I want to use or middle name. So what you can do is click this use regular expression or press Control R. And then, okay, the first thing you can do, if you press period, it will select all the preceding characters. If you select Control period, hold on. So if you click the like plus, basically what happened is it will generate. Okay, again, if you press the period thing, it will kind of. I'm sorry. So it will by syllables. As you can see here, what is hovering right now, like it is the period is equivalent to its character, right? Now, if you want to select a certain line, then plus period plus, so that will select the whole line. Okay. Now, what I want to select not the whole line. I want just to change the surname. The regular expression that you should be using is this one, backlash W plus and a dollar sign. And then I want it to change with Verdana or maybe this one and replace all. And as you can see, all of the last name was changed to this word. Now, there's a lot of regular expression actually that you can use. Um, a backlash W plus just detect the whole word. If you just want to select a first alphanumeric, then backslash W will work. And there's a lot of regular expression. I highly suggest that you download the regular Regex tool, or I'm gonna try to create an article version of that. If you have the I'll put it on the link description below, so take a look at that, and I'll look for a cheat sheet that you can use because I also cannot memorize all the regular expression. So I think that is super helpful for you to save time in changing a dynamic word. And yeah, for me, like this just simple alpha find and replace really helped me to expedite changing the process for this one. So I also want to learn more about regular expression because I think that is super helpful for JavaScript. And that's it for today, guys. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Have a great day.